Crispy bacon and broccoli tossed in an Asian sauce. Not your usual combination, but let me show you why it works. Quick, easy, healthy and absolutely delicious. You'll be back for more. So let's get straight into it. So let's start with my bacon. I am using 2 packs of bacon that I am going to cut into half. You can use any cut of bacon that you like, and you can cut it into smaller strips if you choose. Chop a head of broccoli into small florets. And dice up some onions, and making sure to pull apart the onions so they cook better in the pan. Chop up some yellow and red capsicum to give the dish some extra color. I have got some mushrooms that I'm going to cut into 4. I'm now going to chop up 3 large cloves of garlic. Let's get cooking. Add some oil to a pan. And we're going to fry our bacon in batches till it's nice and crispy. As you can see, I have cut my bacon into big chunky pieces because I want to see my bacon in the dish. You can cut your bacon into smaller strips if you choose. Once you've done doing your bacon in batches, take it out and set it aside. I'm going to add some oil to the same pan. And in goes my garlic. Toss that through for a few moments till it releases its aroma. The broccoli goes in next. Toss the broccoli through for a few minutes till it absorbs all the oil. Now we're going to add some rice wine, making sure to add it to the sides of the pan. Mix that through for a few seconds. The mushrooms go in next. Our onions go in next, and mix through all your veggies. Look how good this looks. Now add some water, put the lid on, and we're going to let our veggies steam for about a minute. It's been a minute, let's check on these veggies. That is looking good. I do like my veggies a little bit on the crispy side. Next, in goes my soy sauce and hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, give that all a good mix through, making sure it coats everything. Next, in goes the cornstarch. And mix that through till your gravy thickens up. Once your gravy's thickened up, it's time for the bacon to go in. Look at that, absolutely delicious bacon and veggies stir fry with an Asian sauce. I hope you love this recipe. Let me know what you think of this unusual combination in the comment section. And if you're looking for some more easy recipes, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.